Hey everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you are well and had a nice weekend. Today is January 31st, 2022, and I will be analyzing Xero, which the SX code is XRO. So let's have a look. Just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, and much more, all in this channel for you. And it's all for free. So if you like, please subscribe and share this video with someone that you believe could be helping. Also, please leave your comments at the description so we know whether you agree or you don't agree. Anything, let us know at the comments. Let's jump straight into this analysis. This is a company, is a tech company that has been growing year on year consistently and also sustainably. This is the most important part compared to B&L companies that keep burning cash and not generating enough to offset its technically its loss. Xero has been growing sustainably, and that's what I like when I'm going to be looking at investing or trading in stock here at BG Trading. Now, I'm going to go just briefly through the stock analysis, the fundamental analysis, and then after that, obviously, we're going to jump into the technical part of the stock and why we believe this is a very interesting time to look into Xero. If you want to have access to the full analysis, I will be putting into our Facebook community, Buy Growth Strategy for Share Traders. There will be the link available there. Make sure you become a member of the community. Now, Xero is, if you don't know what Xero is a cloud-based accounting software which competes with MYOB and now has grown quite a lot more than MYOB and Recon, which would be the competition. Now, it's had grown quickly in New Zealand and Australia, and now it has rolled out through UK and US market. The revenue, as you can see here, has been growing consistently year on year, but mostly important, the net profits as well. As you can see, it came out of a net debt, sort of a loss, and then has been decreasing its loss year on year, which is exactly what we wanted to look at into a stock that has potential to grow its share price. The monthly revenue of this company has increased 29% year on year. Operating revenue has increased 23% year on year. The net loss has decreased. Also improved gross profit with normalizing expenses. So it's all, most of the boxes are ticked on this stock. Now, there's a couple of red flags I put here, which one is the company has history of an equity capital raising, which is for the short term a little bit of tricky for investors, but from the long term, obviously the company raising more capital, it increases, it strengthens its balance sheet, and it is good to keep growing as well. But every time the company invests into growing, it's also reflecting straight away on the revenue growth, and then the following half year, we always notice that the EBITDA has also been adjusted, and again it keeps decreasing its loss, exactly where we wanted to see it. In fact, the company is now profitable. Now, a little bit of Australian, New Zealand numbers here. And I'm not going to go through, but it's all positive. Also, international markets. Company has a footprint into UK and US, which is a massive market, and some other countries in the world as well. Now, let's talk a little bit about strategy and competitive advantage. Xero is all about integration. It's all about integration. In fact, it has been integrated with over 1,000 apps. to show you later. Now, this is a little bit of a subscriber growth trend. So it keeps growing sustainably and consistently for recurrent subscriber year on year. Like this is actually half a year on half a year, I would say that. As you can see, the company has been successfully and mostly important, sustainably delivering growth across different markets. To achieve that, the company has become expert on the following items: product and technology teams, bank reconciliation, tax and reporting, Xero Analytics Plus, Walden and invoicing finance, and Xero Me, which is another operation that the company does, another part of the app. Now we can see details of each of these arms here at the full stock analysis. Competitive advantage for me, again, it's all about integration. So subscribers of Xero are currently able to connect with more than 1,000 apps in the various type of industries. Let's say hospitality, accounting, real estate, all sort of apps. Now, also has a app partner benefit, sort of share part of the profit with the partner as well, which is really good, empowering strategy to acquire more partners. The more partner it is, the more it's going to actually control the whole market for the accounting, which is very interesting. Now let's move towards to technical analysis. So technical analysis, when I'm talking about strong long-term investment, this is a long-term type of investment stock, I would say. As you can see here, just before last 52 weeks, the stock has been growing exponentially. By if you look at 2018, it was worth like $28. Now it's $113. Now, but what we wanted to see is the last 52 weeks. If you have bought this stock 52 weeks ago just by buying, so you would be 14% at lost at the moment. However, we saw as well three very good opportunities for trading this stock. What I wanted to say is, if you have was an opportunity of trading the stock, you would be able to apply BGS 20 strategy. We have this 36% upside, so we could just lock in 20% profit using BGS 20 strategy very easily. So 20% there, another 30% increase here. So let's say 20% in this range, and another was almost 40%. But let's say 20% here. So we have like 60%. And then obviously we had this melt on the whole tech sector to increase of interest rates in the US, blah, 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 you all know that. So now, most important what I want to say is the stock price, the stock is ranging between $110 towards $155, okay? Almost testing the $100 mark, but not actually reaching the $100 mark. We have seen like 3 times the stock, like actually 4 times the stock touching this sort of support level, which suggests that this line here is a very strong support level, where as well as this very strong resistance level. What we see here using BGS 20 strategy is that we have a few confirmations here. The first confirmation is the fact that the stock has bounced back from the support level, so therefore confirming this very strong support level is still sustaining the price above this type of level. And secondly, we have a very strong volume in this sort of reversal, confirming the reversal. So we have 2 confirmations, and the third confirmation is coming today with a green candle on the Fibonacci. What we want to see is a bullish intersection level 2 here, which will be this another candle sort of crossing the yellow line, and then after that trading all the candles above the yellow line. That's what we wanted to do. Right. So bottom line at the moment, if it is to buy this stock, this would be the time according to our strategy. All right. Our VIP members know already what is our target on this stock. In fact, full disclosure, we have a position in this. We took advantage of this market crash and we decided we start buying since Friday a few different positions in different sectors that we believe are representing some good fundamental value, and this is one of the stock. So obviously, if you want to know the how we set up stop loss and the target, you might want to look into our VIP membership program. And if you want to apply yourself, you still can do that yourself and look into our online course. A lot of great quality information there, and will most certain help you to avoid making silly mistakes and help you to make better decisions and find exactly where you should be buying this. But at the moment, I would say this: if you're looking to buy in Xero, this would be the time. But again, we want to make sure the whole stock market stays stable, and hoping not to happen a further crash on international markets. So this is our view on Xero. Very good stock with strong fundamentals, strong growth prospects, trading at very interesting time. Remember, this is not a financial advice. It just says applying a strategy, and our strategy would suggest this is a very interesting time to look into Xero if you're not a holder at the moment. Guys, this was my honest opinion on Xero. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS 20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand, and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. So you don't have to be any Wall Street smart person to be able to apply those strategies. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.